Hello and welcome to this video on the infamous Pan Galactic Gargle Blaster. This is a cocktail from Douglas Adams' A Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. It is said to be the best drink in existence. The Hitchhiker's Guide describes it as rather like having your brains smashed out with a slice of lemon wrapped around a large gold brick.
When you see what I'm about to show you, you'll beg me to take you with us.
The best drink in existence is the Pan Galactic Gargle Blaster, the effect of which is like having your brains smashed out by a slice of lemon wrapped around a large gold brick.
From this you can imagine it is both rather potent and a somewhat expensive beverage. The recipe as given by Douglas Adams is: take the juice from one bottle of Old Jank spirit, pour it into 1 measure of water from the seas of St. Ragnar's 5, that St. Ragnian seawater, the St. Ragnian fish. Allow 3 cubes of Arcturian megagin to melt into the mixture. It must be properly iced or the benzene is lost. Allow 4 litres of Thalian marsh gas to bubble through it in memory of all those happy hikers who have died of pleasure in the marshes of Thalia. Over the back of a silver spoon float a measure of qualactin hypermint extract, redolent of all the heavy odours of the dark qualactin zones, subtle, sweet and mystic. Drop in the tooth of an Algolian sun tiger. Watch it dissolve, spreading the fires of the Algolian suns deep into the heart of the drink. Sprinkle Zamfir. Add an olive. Drink, but very carefully. As we have yet to encounter aliens, or begin exploring alien planets which may have some of these more exotic ingredients, many fans have started to make their own versions of the Pan Galactic Gargle Blaster. These variously use gin, rum, vodka, tequila, Galliano, creme menthe, and more based on the recipe you choose. For that reason, we have 3 options here, each one varying on the base they rely on, the complexity, and the particular ingredients used. Let's start with a basic version. Begin by adding a lemon base to your cocktail glass. This could be fresh lemon, preserved lemon if you want the saltiness, or even lemon rind. Add 3 parts gin and 2 parts ginger beer to a shaker with ice. Add chili, either crushed or in flakes. Shake aggressively for 1 minute. Pour over your lemon base in your cocktail glass. A more aggressive second option is to mix 1 part whiskey, 1 part schnapps, 4 parts citrus juice in a shaker with ice. Pour this into a glass and then pour blue curacao on top. Add citrus wedges to this. The final recipe that might interest you involves 2 parts vodka, 2 parts raspberry liqueur, 1 part triple sec, 1 part cognac, 4 parts cranberry juice, and a handful of strawberries and basil leaves. Add all of these ingredients to a shaker and mix. Pour into a glass. Drink very carefully and slowly. These 3 options give you a range of flavors and approaches to creating your own Pan Galactic Gargle Blaster. While we may not be able to say if it tastes exactly rather like having your brain smashed out with a slice of lemon wrapped around a large gold brick, these are still pretty good, and might even make Marvin, if not happy, at least less pessimistic.
I think you ought to know I'm feeling very depressed.
Well, we have something that should take your mind off things.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found it interesting, consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Please post any comments, questions, or suggestions that you have below.